Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I am Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos, and if you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you guys who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So guys, today is a little bit different video, and the reason is because I am busy trying to put some furniture together. So I thought I would just bring you guys along on my journey. I do like doing a lot of DIY things, and I know so far you guys have seen me doing mostly things with yarn, but I like doing a lot of stuff. So come along with me as I go ahead and put this furniture together. Today, I'm just going to show you as I am putting together a set of drawers for a chest that has already been assembled. Okay, so come along with me. So guys, I am back. What did you think? I really do like a lot of DIYs and thought I would just bring you guys along this journey as I put together a new room with some furniture that I purchased from IKEA. Now, the interesting thing about the furniture from IKEA is it's not assembled when you purchase it, and the manual has little to no words, mostly pictures and symbols. So you really have to pay attention. And sometimes, even with that, you still maybe put something together wrong or it doesn't really make as much sense to you as you might think. So I thought I'd do this video to show you that even though you might not be a furniture expert, you can do these things sometimes. If you just try. All right. So I'm going to put a picture up of the finished dresser here. It's a chest of drawers. And yeah, I really like it. I really think that it came along just fine. And I hope you guys do too. So I hope each and every one of you have a wonderful week. Please take care of yourselves. Oh, I forgot. I have to get my blessing jar. Hold on for a minute. Okay, guys, I am back and this is my blessings jar. Okay, remember this? I showed it to you. Okay, so what's the blessing for today? Let's see. Okay, so today's blessing is this: let all that you do be done with love. I love it. It's great. All right, let everything that you do be done with love. I think that's awesome. So I look forward to seeing you guys next time in my next video. And I hope each and every one of you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week. Please take care of yourselves, okay? Eat well, drink plenty of water, get plenty of rest, exercise when you can, and don't forget to be mindful each and every day. And don't forget to be crafty also. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.